A minute for some of us. Really, the weather can't make it mind up to this afternoon. We've got a big area of low pressure over us, showers circulating around it, and those showers are swinging into the Midlands. The winds are actually quite light across the Midlands, so any blobby showers will be very slow to move. So one across Manchester, for example, could last half an hour, and then half an hour later it should be dry. Something a little bit optimistic for western extremities of the British Isles. To the east of Scotland it's raining, but here in the west something a little bit bright. In fact, across Northern Ireland there's been some sunshine around, and here around about 9 degrees. Something a little bit more optimistic for western fringes of Wales, for St David's and Pembrokeshire, some sunshine poking through, and the strong gusty old winds that we've had for Cornwall and Devon, in fact all along the south coast. Well, those winds will be easing as we through the day, and they'll be taking all of these showers you can see here with them towards the east. So the concentration of showers as we go through the day will be further eastwards. In fact, you can see that now here as we get into the evening hours. Things dry out from the west, the showers end up in the North Sea, and then behind it the skies could actually clear. Even with clear skies tonight, and yes, it's February, it's not going to be that cold, around about 5 degrees Celsius, just a hint of a ground frost. Probably Aberdeen seeing a bit of air frost. Now, first thing in the morning, it's looking glorious across the southeast, the Midlands, a little bit more cloud for East Anglia and the eastern counties here, but on the whole it's a very pleasant start to the day for Birmingham, probably for Manchester as well. But across northern parts of the British Isles, especially for Scotland here, quite misty in places, quite cold. There you are, Aberdeen, 0 degrees Celsius, so just about an air frost still at around about 8 o'clock in the morning. A nice start to the day for Belfast, 3 degrees, so quite nippy. Now you can see this line of shade here. Well, that's a hint of things to come for a little bit later on in the day. So if you've got anything weather sensitive planned in the southwest, first thing in the morning, be quick about it. The weather will be going downhill as we go through the morning on Tuesday. We start to see another band of rain quickly moving into, first of all, into Cornwall, then eventually that band of rain will reach Devon, the western extremities of Wales, and probably knocking on Belfast's doorstep around about lunchtime. But for most of us across the Midlands and the eastern counties, it will be a very pleasant day, almost spring-like, I suppose, in the sunshine, around about 11 degrees Celsius. And what's on the weather menu for Wednesday? Well, splodges of blue all over our charts here. Could be pouring with rain for a time, but just a hint of something brighter developing later on into the southwest. So the future's looking pretty rainy.